I've just realised that the chocolate has a really, really unfortunate name that we do need to acknowledge given the current state of the world.
Welcome to the Colombia dispatch of Seasons Traveller, where I'm going to show you how to make this Colombian brunch from these ingredients, all bought online from the Berbeo Brothers in South Melbourne. All you need to do is add a bit of oil to a pan, fry out your chorizo and morcilla lamona, add 4 eggs to a bowl with some salt and pepper to make huevos, pericos, with tomato, spring onion, and of course, you have to serve them with arepas, Colombia's favourite street food and vessel made from cornmeal. Colombian empanadas are also made from maize, and they can be deep fried or baked. Add it all to a plate and you have a traditional Colombian-style workers' breakfast. All you're missing is a traditional hot chocolate. Now in Colombia they make hot chocolates with cheese and a special kind of chocolate block that also has cinnamon throughout it, and in this case an unfortunate name. You can use anything to make it, but if you want to go OG, you have to use this molinillo and oleta, the jug. So you put your oleta, or whatever heat-proof vessel you have, on the stove, and then you do half milk, half water. So I'm gonna go 2 cups of milk, 2-ish, 2 cups of water, the Corona packet says to just use 1 block for every 6 cups, but we're gonna do 2. It smells like cinnamon. Oh, it's really grainy. It's sort of like Mexican hot chocolate, which makes sense given the Spanish influence. So Juan said that you have to let Colombian hot chocolate come to a boil and then simmer 3 times because otherwise you get stomach cramps. And I asked him why, and he said he doesn't really know. It's just what his mum always told him. So we're not going to question Mona, we're just going to do what she says. Colombian breakfast is served. So we have our Corona hot chocolate, fresh off the stove. Now, the secret to the Colombian hot chocolate, what actually makes it the Colombian hot chocolate, is the queso. So I'm just gonna pop some of this in here. And the reason this cheese is a little bit different from mozzarella is because it's super melty. You can see the oil from the cheese already congealing on the top. It's hot chocolate pizza. Oh my god. You're meant to take the cheese all the way from the cup to your mouth without taking hot chocolate off the table. Which could be a very, very, very long way. Look at that! The other thing that I reckon you could do is dip your arepa into your hot chocolate. I don't know if this is technically what you're meant to do, but I don't see why you wouldn't, given that the arepa is the ultimate vessel for everything. You've got melted cheese and chocolate. Feels like a bit of a no-brainer. Help! Spider-Man has nothing on this. I started with dessert first, which is not really the done thing, but now I get to try all the rest. So I've got my Colombian-style scrambled eggs here, I have chorizo, I have morcilla, I have empanadas, and I have arepas. So this is a very, very filling workers' breakfast. You will not need lunch. You might not even need dinner. And that's alright. You've got everything you need for the whole day. Thank you so much for tuning into Seasoned Traveller, the Colombia Dispatch.
We're stuck at home in stage 4 lockdown in Melbourne, but you can still travel through food no matter where you are. Remember to subscribe and please share. We'll see you on the next dispatch.
I'm not sure if you're meant to use your hands. Oh my god, it's so much fun! This is the ultimate playing with your food.